Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to show you a quick, simple, easy craft that you can do. This is just a little t-shirt, a little dollar t-shirt that I got from Dollar Tree yesterday. I used to make these necklaces all the time, and that is just some fringe necklaces. Like, it's really easy. So first thing I'm going to do, because I want mine to kind of go at an angle. First thing I'm going to do is I'm trying to see if I just want to cut the square out. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this section off right there, the section that I'm going to need. Alright, you guys, so from there, it's a lot that you can do with this. You can even put beads on the end of it and tie knots. You can pretty much just put it around your neck. I'm trying to see what is the middle here. Let me see. Yeah, like that's pretty much done, but I want to take this. It's still crooked. I want to take this a step further, and I actually want to put it on a chain rather than just leave it like that. So I'm going to be using what is this? This is something I bought from Hobby Lobby like years ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and attach it onto here.